Jason. Tonight, County DA Craig Northcott finds himself increasingly isolated, with no one in the legal community defending his views of the legal rights of gay people and Muslims.
In fact, some of his own prosecutor colleagues say Northcott is out of step with what the law requires. That came after our chief investigative reporter, Phil Williams, asked DAs across the state to take a stand. Phil?
Well, we wanted to know where the rest of Tennessee's elected district attorney stood with a national firestorm now surrounding the County DA. While some hesitated to criticize him outright, no one defended him. If DA Craig Northcott doesn't want to defend himself,
I politely declined any comment on camera, and I would ask you to respect it.
how can you put domestic violence victims? Sir, you've said you have an open door policy.
Get out of my office.
Finding others to do it may not be so easy. The Coffee County prosecutor faces questions over a video showing him saying he does not use the state's domestic violence laws to protect gay people.
And I said there's no marriage to protect, so I don't prosecute them as domestics.
And on Facebook saying Muslims don't believe in the one true God, so they have no constitutional rights to protect. Today, a formal complaint was filed with the state board that regulates lawyers, signed by more than 300 Tennessee attorneys. Sonny Eaton led that effort.
Now, what I am the most disturbed by is that not one single elected DA in Tennessee has publicly stated that any denouncement of Northcott's actions. No one has said this is not who we as district attorneys are.
News Channel 5 Investigates reached out to every single member of the Tennessee District Attorneys General Conference, the umbrella group for the state's prosecutors. DA Kim Helper out of Franklin responded saying, "I strongly disagree with any statement that suggests Tennessee laws should not be applied equally to all parties in the criminal justice system." She added, "My personal religious or political beliefs do not impact how I or my office approaches our responsibilities." Jennings Jones from Murfreesboro, "My office does not agree with the positions taken by General Northcott." Tommy Thompson from Hartsville, "Every citizen, regardless of sexual orientation or religious beliefs, is entitled to equal protection under the law." And Ray Whitley out of Gallatin, "We have always prosecuted domestic violence cases without regard to sexual orientation, creed, belief, or otherwise if the law has been broken, and we will continue to do that." As for the DA's conference itself, it has not taken an official stand on Northcott's controversial views.
It's putting a stain on their office, and their continued silence erodes the public faith in what the job of the district attorney is and how they conduct it in Tennessee.
Now, we're posting all the comments from the state's DAs online as we get them. Meanwhile, the president of the Tennessee Bar Association also spoke out, expressing hope that as a result of the complaint that was just filed, the concerns will be, quote, swiftly and thoroughly addressed by the board that regulates attorneys. Carrie?
Phil, thank you.